Take a ride in the 2017 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, rear view camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.